No one trusted me at first of my video, not even one. But as the days go by, I realized that when those times that there's no one watching, there is already a realization that I am starting to build trust to my audiences. So it is a matter of time that we can create or build trust to our audience or viewers. It is not done overnight or at the click of a finger or at the wink of an eye. It should be on a process or step by step. So here are the numbers that I would be canalizing to you that would help you also navigate or calibrate how to build trust. Number one, you must have your one clear message or clarity of your message. It should not be one that is from time to time, it is changeable, or you are making different ideas to your audiences. Number two, you must create 100 honest interactions to your audience. One that would divulge not only your achievements, but also exposing or declaring your low moments as a content creator. Number three, you must create 7 to 30 consistent posts or sustainable posting so your audience can trust you to the fullest. One video would not build trust. Next, number 4, zero pretending. You should always be honest or transparent with who you are, what are your ideas, what are your stand in life, your advocacy, your commitment, or the real you, not another person. Number 5, you must create one repeated action throughout your journey. This is not being changed to another one, or the behavior should be repeatedly done. That is one specific behavior, whatever it is. It might be your advocacy or your commitment of making long comments either to your inbound or your outbound engagement, or you already established the behavior. One behavior which is after you have crafted your engagement, in the last part, you are making or asking questions to the creator regarding the topic. So whatever your choices might be also your advocacy that you like to make sure that you are the first one to comment on the big creator post you admired most. Be the first to comment also of your own post or video. Or your repeated behavior of now and then you are revisiting your old videos and you must make another comment, or you should reply to those commenters you did not made a comment previously. Yes, those are repeated behavior that you must do. Or you have already chosen that your content should be one which is evergreen or bingeable topic, which is not only trending. Of course, we can mix the two. The trending now topic plus the evergreen and bingeable topics. But we would concentrate more basically 80% to those content which is having no expiration, timeless, ageless. Yes, I love it all. So I hope you have learned something about the discussion how to build trust to our audience. Please comment down, follow for more discussion on content creation, motivation, upgrading, and enhancement. Please save and share if you really love the message of my topic for today. Thank you for watching. Until my next vlog, mabuhay! See you!